Hey Overland fans, we are a little less than 3 weeks out from the 2024 Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival. We really are looking forward to this event this year. Got a lot of new products and new vendors to show off, and we want to talk about a little bit about that before folks come out. We have the four-wheel camper Orvis Edition camper that is going to be on display at the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival. So you've been looking at a camper and you've been wanting to see the Orvis Edition camper in person. That's a perfect time to come out and check it out. We've also got Arctic trucks coming this year. This will be the first time that one of the new Arctic trucks, AT37 prototype vehicles, will be on display on the East Coast. Great opportunity to come and check it out. We've also got the dirt box toppers, which will be on display. So come out and check them out on various vehicle sizes, both full-size and mid-size trucks. Tacoma and Tundra, I think we'll have on display there. We also have the Grenadier. The Grenadier is going to be at the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival, so we've been wanting to crawl around inside one and check it out in person, all the cool features of a new overland vehicle platform. That is a great opportunity to check out the new Grenadier offering. We've got a number of other great vendors who are going to be on display or doing class sessions at the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival. We'll have overland experts back again this year doing their on-site vehicle recovery training. So you don't want to miss out on that. That's always a crowd pleaser. So if you're new to the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival, the festival takes place on a 200+ acre private property. We've got on-site trails. We also have on-site camping and beautiful rolling kind of farmland area. It takes place during the Perseid meteor shower. It coincides with that, and it is something you do not want to miss. It's a crowd pleaser. People come back every year for it. Each year for the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival, we combine forces with Tread Lightly, great organization working to make sure that we can keep trail access open for folks who are into overlanding and want to experience everything that nature's got to offer. But we really have to make sure that we are taking care of those trails as we go. And Tread Lightly is a great organization that we work with in combination with that. We are going to be working with Tread Lightly for a trail cleanup event that will be right at the beginning of the Overland Festival. And we're looking for volunteers to sign up and join the cleanup. Right now we've got a few slots that are still available. So if you're interested, click the link in bio to learn more, and we can see if we can get you signed up to join the fun. Another key part of the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival is our Overland Film Festival that we wrap into the festival itself. And that's really an opportunity for people to present their videos of their adventures. The minimum is a minute up to 10 minutes in length, and you have the opportunity to show off your adventure, how you're using your overland setup out in the wild, and bring that adventure to the big screen for folks at the festival. And at the end of the viewing, we'll all vote on whose was best, and we do a number of prizes. Great opportunity to show off your video editing skills and to share the adventure with other folks who are at the festival. If you think you have what it takes to hit the challenge course and you've got the best skills for off-road driving and putting those wheels where they need to be, then you should test your mettle on the Overland Challenge course at the Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival. We are really testing your ability to communicate driver and spotter and to get through the challenge course with the least amount of points possible to see if you can win the challenge course for that night. Great opportunity to test out your skills in front of everybody, no pressure. The Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival is a fantastic event for people who are new to overlanding and don't know exactly what it's all about. They want to learn, they're eager to find out. Great introductory kind of feel for different products, different vehicle setups that you can see out on the field with different folks who are going to be bringing their vehicles and campers and trailers and things like that, and vans. So if you are looking for ideas for your build out or how to go about it, you and your family for overlanding, great opportunity to kind of walk the fields and talk to people and see what works for them and what doesn't. It's also a great opportunity to kind of introduce yourself to the overland community. If you are new to it and you want to meet new people to go hit the trails with in the Mid-Atlantic area on the East Coast, great opportunity to meet up with folks. We've got people who are coming back to this event for multiple years now in a row, and part of it's just the sense of community that we've built over the years, and it's like a homecoming, it's like a reunion. So definitely check it out, Mid-Atlantic Overland Festival. You can go to mainlineoverland.com, search festival, and it'll pop up. You can order your tickets also in the link in bio. And we hope to see you there this year.